vlog. Hope you all are liking our videos and sharing our videos. Please support us by liking, sharing, subscribing, and don't forget to click the bell icon and all options. So let's start with an experiment.
We need a cup of water, some color pencils, a ziploc bag and a bowl. And to pour some water into this ziploc bag and close it.
Now we are going to poke the color pencils inside the ziploc bag. See friends, the water is not coming out. See friends?
Now we are going to take the pencil.
For this experiment, we need a plastic container like this, a plastic cup, a straw and glue gun. First of all, we need to put a hole in the bottom of this container. I'm going to ask my mother for help. My mother has put a hole in the container. Now I'm going to put the straw through it and seal it with glue gun. Now I'm going to pour some water inside the bowl. Make sure that the water is lower than the straw. Now put the cup over the straw and see the magic. See friends, the water is coming down.
We are going to do a water spray experiment. For this we need a bottle and some water. I have put some random holes in the bottle. See what's going to happen when I loosen and tighten the cap. When I loosen, the water is coming out. And tighten the cap. To do the flower blooming experiment. For this I have colored some flowers like this. Now I am going to fold the petals of the flower like this. I am going to put this flower into a bowl of water. See, it's opening because the paper absorbs the water.
After absorbing lots of water, the flowers have drowned.
Try these experiments at home. Please support us by liking, sharing and subscribing, and don't forget to click the bell icon and all. Thank you. Bye-bye.